That can't be good.
I'll never be a ranger.
Boom.
What?
Please tell me I get to write that.
Million thoughts raced through Ratchet's head. Could he repair this diminutive warbox? Would it be the key to the adventure he craved? Did he leave the proto-engine on in the garage? The answer to all these questions was yes.
All right, hang on. I'll get us back to the garage.
Well, I'm guessing I can't touch these things. Kinda want to touch it to find out, but I don't want to risk it.
Large gaps were child's play to Ratchet. All he would need to get across is a trusty swing shot and a little bravado.
Yeah, but I messed that one up already. Swing shot of what? Okay.
Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Sorry, mate. Let me pick you up.
I said, provide Ratchet with a combustor.
Shut up! Oh, I get something. Sorry.
Come on, grab the combustor. It's right here.
I'm trying to grab it. Shit!
Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Nice! A combustor!
Ratchet basked in the freedom of being able to switch weapons whenever he felt like it.
So now it let me do it, okay.
Perhaps you could shoot something to open the door.
Kaboom!
Impressive shooting.
Oh, thank you.
Nice work.
Not gonna lie, this gun's pretty epic.
You're going down, Lombax!
Go away.
Uh-oh, Blarg. What are they doing?
Yeah.
I have information in my databanks that poses a threat to Chairman Drake.
No, get off.
Must have tracked my position to your planet, so he could get it back. Grim, listen to me. I want you to lock the garage doors and then head down into the shelter. I'll be there as soon as I can.
I have no ammo. Alright, fist it is.
In a bad way, hurt, confused, and alone, he scoured the Kizzle Plateau.
Die. Die. Ow. Get the fuck off.
I think that's all of them.
Give me some ammo. Let's do it. Where we go next? Okay. Spider Ratchet.
Is that a Blarg dropship? Correct. Model X6Z to be exact. Also known as the dropship of death. Great.
Didn't mean to do that. Get the go away. Ow. die already? Yeah, listen.
Ratchet.
Oh.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
I want you to swing, man. There we go. Right, so I need to get close to it to make it swing.
We gotta look for some defect. It's not that bad. Got through there.
Wrecked.
The blarg are all over
Wrecked.
the garage. Grim, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up till the coast is clear.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
What should we go with? What should we go with? Let's go with this. Come on, triple kill. Wasn't even a single.
I've got you on hollow vid. There are more enemies moving in.
Incoming dropship detected.
Oh, they're big. They're big. No. I died. Bollocks. I'm saving.
The blarg are all over Grim's garage. Grim, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up till the coast is clear.
Just hold tight. Hey, Grim, I got this.
Let's go.
I've got you on hollow vid. There are more enemies moving in.
Incoming dropship detected.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
This place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and
Ah!
everywhere. Didn't you tell me you were gonna clean it up last week?
Get
Sorry about that.
bloody shit, man. Move.
A beginner's guide to quantum burst engines.
Oh,
I have it bookmarked.
What's this? Fun with singularities and other cataclysmic events.
That's really more for educational purposes. Which is always good.
come on. I have no ammo.
Really, I just look at the picture.
That's not good. Ow. I need ammo. Where can I get ammo from? Boxes. I need ammo. Fuck. Die. Oh my god, look at my health. Holy crap.
All right, Grim. Coast is clear. Can you open up?
Ratchet, why is Sony's name just exploding?
Sorry about that, Grim. Listen, get my tools ready. I just found something in the desert I need to look at. Interesting. What kind of factory is this? This? No, this is just a garage. Lived here since I was a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
There we go.
Once
Whew.
Clank explained Drek's plan to attack the Hall of... With the Galactic Rangers out of the equation, Ratchet knew he had to help, even though neither he nor Clank had the upper body strength necessary for hero work.
I can totally help.
Oh, I could not ask a civilian to get involved in something so dangerous.
No, I'm not just a civilian. The Rangers are actually my, friends. Why do you think I have so many pictures of them?
But why are you not in any of them?
Well, someone had to take the picture, right? I mean, come on. I even have a ship. It disassembles so it can infiltrate enemy strongholds. So what do you say? That's strange. I'm picking up something from Navalis.
It appears to be some sort of distress signal, but it is being jammed using a Blargian signal dampener.
computer would have told us if we were in any real danger.
Fatal crash imminent. Would you like to record your last will and testament?
Admittedly, that's not super promising.
Well, I think we're a bit screwed.
Well, it's damaged, but I fixed it first. Come on, maybe there's someone in town who can help us.
I'm sorry, but you wouldn't have survived that.
Wait a second, is that raritanium? Maybe we should upgrade our weapons first.
Ooh.
Here's where you pick your weapon. Let me walk you through the process with one of mine. You're gonna need raritanium for this stuff, but we'll use some of mine for now. All you gotta do is pick one of them cells. These things chain together. Go ahead and fill. Alright, just confirm the transaction and the deal's done. Hey, you surrounded a mystery cluster. Now that's gonna give you a big boost. That's all there is to it. Give it a spin on one of your own.
Alright. Let's go for this. What we got, what we got, what we got. Ammo. Rate of fire. Let's go rate of fire. Can I do all of these? Whoa. I just wasted a lot. Maybe I left now. Alright, let's just see how that helped. Whoa. Ain't that the thing I just... Oh, they're new weapons. Okay. I just bought ammo. Okay. Okay, so you do it with that. Right, okay. And then nuts and bolts give you like coins to get new weapons. Right, okay. I've got this. Looks like it's time to go on an adventure.
That is a lot of bad guys.
Attention, citizens. You may have noticed we are in the midst of a small, insignificant invasion. We are working hard to contact the boss to find a peaceful resolution. But until they return our calls, it's probably best to remain.
Go away. I'm getting a bit wrecked here. What is that? Oh, it's that guy. There it is. Die. I need to get this out. Yeah. New card available. What's the card?
Big Al here. You can earn single holocards by defeating, or you can explore secret. Your goal is to complete a whole set of holocards.
Open. What'd I get? Oh, there's loads. Cool. Let's carry on.
Hey, that's a Cora Verilux statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
Any more of those special upgrade things about?
Attention, Illuminati. We have left several messages regarding your invasion of this sector. I don't want to suggest that you avoid us, but just in case you check your messages, there are quite a few waiting for you.
Yeah, get out of it. Wait, mushrooms give you that as well. Okay. Good to know, good to know. Oh, you can hold it down. Okay, I don't know that. Die!
I doubt that's the last of them.
How'd you get health back? Is there a way to get health back? No? Okay, let's go. Oh, let's see that hole.
Attention, Blar.
Correct.
We have not heard back.
Oh, okay, so those...
I thought it
These blue boxes I think are health.
our side, so I picked up the phone to make.
Oh dear.
Right, starting to learn it all now.
Must be the mayor's ship.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
Don't worry, we're coming, we're coming. Well, I am. Die. Die. Yeah. Let's go. Ah! The fuck are they? Don't like the look of them. You little shit, go away as well. Ow. No. Don't like the look of you. Bloody hell, I'm getting a lot of these card things. Wait.